guys, we're the Homeschooled Hooligans and welcome back to our kitchen.
Now that it's fall, you're probably more likely to be inside because of the cold weather. And you probably get bored a lot. And what better thing to do when you're bored than to make something delicious? Today we're going to be making edible cookie dough that you don't have to bake. We use this recipe all the time. It is so delicious and
we love it.
So we wanted to make a video about it. And besides, our last cooking video was 5 months ago. So
let's show you the ingredients we need.
The ingredients we're using are sugar, brown sugar, flour, vanilla extract, salt, any regular sea salt, and milk. And we're using raw cow's milk, but you can use whatever milk you think will work because they pretty much all will work. We just like using cow milk best. And chocolate chips and butter. So those are the ingredients, and let's start making this cookie dough. You need a regular sized bowl. You don't need a big mixing bowl. That's one of the nice things. And also a spoon to mix it with.
So first thing is get a tablespoon of each of the sugars, so like sugar and brown sugar. Next I'm going to get the butter, and you can get 1 to 1.5 tablespoons. If you just cut a sliver like that, that's about a tablespoon, so that's kind of what we do.
But if you want to be more precise, you can actually use a real measuring tablespoon.
Now we're going to melt the butter to make it really easy to mix. So the butter is melted and I'm going to just add it in.
Make sure that when you're heating up butter in the microwave, you only put it in for about 10 seconds each time so it doesn't explode, because that can be messy.
Now we're going to just mix it in. Now you want a tablespoon of milk. Now for the vanilla extract, and you'll want a 1/8 of a teaspoon for this.
We do sometimes add 2/8 of a teaspoon to make it a little richer.
Now you want a generous pinch of salt. And last is the flour. You will want 3 tablespoons of this. Time to mix it all in. Now 1 to 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. I prefer only 1 tablespoon.
This is a super simple, super easy, and super delicious cookie dough recipe that you should definitely try. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope you decided to try this too. We definitely recommend it. Tastes amazing.
Yeah. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!